Wagwan guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free Upwork Connect without spending any money. This way you can send more proposals and finally start winning jobs. So let's go! First thing, when you create your Upwork account, they give you about 50 connects free just for signing up. That is your starting point. Don't waste them. Watch my videos first so you know how to write proposals that actually work. Every month Upwork gives you 10 free connects. They add them automatically on your first day of your billing cycle. The good part is that they don't disappear quickly. You can save them up for up to a year. So if you don't see a good job this month, keep them for later. Now, if you do well on Upwork, they would reward you even with more connect. For example, when you get your Rising Talent badge, they give you free 30 connect extra. And when you reach maybe like your top rated badge, they give you another 30 connect. And when you get to top rated plus, they give you another 30 free connect. In total, that makes about 90 free connect that you've earned on Upwork just for being a top freelancer. And if you skip the Rising Talent badge, because it's not everybody that gets the Rising Talent badge before getting the top rated badge. So if you go straight to top rated that way, you will still get your 60 connect at once when you get your top rated badge. Another easy way to get free connect, once in a blue moon, Upwork sometimes have these short safety lessons inside your proposal tab. Just complete one and they would give you some extra connect as reward. It takes like 2 minutes, then you get free connect by clicking on that button. Then the Upwork shares survey sometimes, although most times they don't reward you with connect for survey. So here is something important. Since June 2024, you need connect even to accept interview invites. Like when somebody invites you for a job and you want to apply for that job, before you don't need connect. You don't need connect to accept such interview invite. But the good news is that if you win an interview with a real client, Upwork often refund your connect and even give you extra. For example, if you spend 8 connect to apply, they will give you back your 8 connect plus 2 more. So you actually gain connect when you land interviews. Sometimes Upwork drop promo codes for free connect. This happens once in a while. Or is it even worth looking out for? I don't know if that's still obtained. If you've experienced that recently, please let me know in the comment section. So check your email and the connect page. When you see a code, enter it under buy connect and boom, free connect credit added to your account. If you ever run low on connect, you can buy connect for 15 cents each plus tax in the membership and connect session. It is a small cost, but if you land a job, you will break even, like you make it back fast. So a quick note for you, the old readiness test that Upwork give is actually quite gone now. Upwork doesn't do that anymore. So don't waste your time looking for it. Just focus on badges and those Upwork classes I mentioned earlier. So if you have Freelancer Plus, you get 100 free connects every month, not just 10. Plus you get cool extras like okay, maybe not too cool, Uma, the AI assistant from Upwork. It actually promises to help you write better proposals, but to be honest with you guys, I don't use it at all, even when I pay for Freelancer Plus, because I feel like Uma still has a long way to go in terms of growing. Yeah, it has this option. I think I made a video about it where you can use to review your proposal. That's fine. But using it to write proposal, it's not there yet. Okay, you know, when you are on Freelancer Plus, you see what other freelancers are bidding. Then you get a custom profile link. Then one important way to save your connect is to send valuable proposal, like good proposals. Take your time to learn how to write proposals. Have some strategies, some gimmicks, some hacks that you bring to the table before just randomly sending out proposals, so that your proposals, you won't have to send too many proposals to get a job. Because if you are just sending bad proposal or random proposal, you're not getting the job. You'll just be burning and wasting connect, which is not what you want to do. So the last tip for you on this video will be to turn on availability badge if you want more clients to find you. You choose how many connect to spend per week. Does this 100% guarantee that you're going to get a job on Upwork? I tell you, no. Sometimes even I turn it off. Yes. But sometimes, like when I'm really out for the jugular, like it increases your chances, because Upwork is like you paying Upwork an ad fee for them to promote your profile to prospective clients searching. Do you understand? And this badge can actually increase your invites by, according to Upwork, how they promised us, by 70%. Though I don't see that happening in practical terms the times I have tried it. So it's actually a small cost that you can experiment with. And if your other dots are right, that means like if your profile is on point, if your portfolio is spot on, if you have project catalog, you have every other thing well set on your profile, then it might be worth it turning on availability badge if you have the fund for it. But to be honest with you, Upwork these days is serious business, and if you want to make serious money from Upwork, you need to take it as a serious business and invest some money in buying Connect. That 10 free Connect they give you in a month is too small, it's too low. For me, most of the kind of jobs I bid for, they cost 16 Connect. So if I have to wait for every 2 months to be able to make 16 Connect, to be able to bid for a single job, it will take me forever. Then don't forget that when you bid for a job, you are not guaranteed to get, because there are like 50 other, 30 other, 25 other freelancers bidding for that same job. So you are not sure you will get it. So the more jobs you bid for, the better. So if you can bid for 30 jobs in a month, yeah, you stand a higher chance than somebody who just bid for one job a month on Upwork. Work towards badges for bonuses. You know, the more then you still need to buy Connect to get the bonus. So I don't think the bonuses for the badges are things that you should deliberately gone out for. Just keep doing your thing, you would get it. I'm not sure that Upwork has scrapped it. So grab any promo code you see. You can search online also for Upwork promo code. The truth is just that most of these Upwork promo codes online don't work. Just in case, you might find one that work. It depends on where you're checking for Upwork coupons, because like more of the coupons are more for clients to use, not for freelancers. Oh yeah, that's my own take. So before I wrap up this video, I can also tell you that you don't always need Connect. Yes, I said it. You don't always need Connect to get job on Upwork, because like when you need Connect is when you are sending proposals. And I have said it a couple of times that proposals are not the only way to get jobs on Upwork. You can get jobs by being invited by the clients. Yeah, you might need a bit of Connect for that though. You can get jobs by setting your project catalog, which is like Upwork equivalent of Fiverr gigs, so that client can just buy your project catalog and you get to work. I've gotten a couple of, there was a time I posted a video about getting 3 jobs in a single day. I think 2, or is it the 3 of those jobs were project catalog, but I'm sure 2 of those jobs were project catalog. Do you understand? I hope this video has been valuable to you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.